mi gente. Guys, we're here in Mount Vernon, New York, and guys, we're getting ready again to install another gas steam boiler. It's the New Yorker boiler. Guys, another one in the books. I'm telling you, listen, watch, and learn. Wepa!
New York boiler, and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Oh yeah. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, all winter long. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, keeping you warm. I'm the boiler man, I'm the boiler man, till the cold is gone. Wepa! If you're feeling hot this summer, New York boiler keep you cool all summer long. Wepa! Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Louie.
Okay, mi gente, guys, we just finished wrapping up the demolition side. You guys can see, once you finish taking out an old slant-fin gas steam boiler, slant-fin, in case you guys didn't know, it's out of business, to discontinued. The boiler, however, it's old. It's at least about 30 years old, so it's time for a new boiler. So, guys, right now, to get started in the basement. So, you ready, guys? Come on, let's go. I'm ready.
Llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego. Llama a New York Caldero. ¡Wepa! It's Louie the boiler man, your HVAC body. Straight for New York boiler and air conditioning repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York boiler keep you cool all summer long. ¡Wepa! Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. ¡Wepa! It's Louie the boiler man, your HVAC body. Straight for New York boiler and air conditioning repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York boiler.
Okay, guys, whenever I tell anybody maintenance is important, I cannot stress how important maintenance is. Guys, we're doing this installation and then the run from the boiler in the hot water here all the way to the chimney. If this job is a little unique, they have a little crawl space. And guys, check out this exhaust pipe. Now, I asked the homeowner, and he tells me, listen, Louie, nobody ever cleaned out the exhaust pipe because part of the estimate that I told him, listen, not only want to change the actual boiler, but I have a good hunch that nobody ever cleaned this exhaust pipe or ever cleaned your chimney base or your chimney. And he said, you know, Louie, let's get it done. Let's do it. And I'm glad we did it because you guys can see. I mean, look at this. This is a gas boiler. So if you see this hose here, this corroded over here, what do you think is happening? You have carbon monoxide leaking into your home. Guys, that's a no-no, that's no, and that's dangerous. I cannot stress how dangerous it is because carbon monoxide, and you cannot smell carbon monoxide. So this is actually leaking into the house. So right now, right as soon as we're done with the actual installation of the boiler, guess what? We're installing a new exhaust pipe. Guys, that's why I tell you, do your due diligence. You know the reason why I didn't clean the chimney base? I'm gonna tell you exactly. You know what? Because the guys are lazy. Guys are lazy because, yeah, it's about a 20-foot run. You gotta be a little bit in shape, and it's a little tight in there. But guys, you gotta let the customer know they're willing to pay. They understand because hey, it's extra work, it's extra money. But it makes sense. But listen, if I didn't tell them that, we just changed the boiler, guess what's gonna happen? Gas, leaks in the house, and you know what that means. So guys, please do your maintenance. Let's go. Huepa.
Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ¡Hvac! Ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.